Now I got a fresh vegetable out here. Oh, this one. See, here, plenty. See, the leaves is like this. And pluck it. Pluck. Yo. Plenty of vegetables. I got lots of vegetables. Share my friends. This will be my main recipe here. So I'll show you how I cook this and it. So let me boil this for some time. When it is cooked, then this. So I fold like this and steam it. I'm going to put it like this so that it will steam it properly. The rice also is cooked. This one. That. And here. Here. Now, like this. Eat. It's ready to eat. Let me pull out the fruit. Chalo, to the go. Let's start. The steamed egg. See how it's the color of the egg. Yummy. Mix with the chutney and get the best flavor in the world.